Online instructors and trainers, what method do you use to plan your agendas, to plan your instructional design process? And by instructional design, I just mean what happens first and second and third. How do you organize the learning for the learners that you're teaching? So I use a 4-step design process created by Sharon Bowman, and it's called the 4 C's. I'm going to share the 4 steps with you right now. And there are a lot of methods out there, but I like the 4 C's because it's very simple and it gets the job done so well. So right now I'm going to explain the 4 C's process. C1 is connections. The first thing I do in any workshop or training, either online or in person, is to do connection activities. And a connection activities connect the learners to each other and to the learning topic. And the second step in the 4 C's process is C2, concepts. And this is where the learners learn the big ideas and the terms, all of the knowledge pieces for the topic that you're teaching. And there are many, many ways to do this. An interactive lecture is one that you may be familiar with, but there's many other ways that learners can get the ideas of the topic without you talking. And the third step in this 4 C's process is the C3, concrete application. This is where learners are going to apply the knowledge that they learned in the C2 section. So they're going to do something that's active so that they're actually practicing skills in some way. They're applying the knowledge in some way that is perhaps a simulation or a role play. They're getting actively involved with the content. And the last step in the 4 C's design process is the C4, conclusions. And you can think of this as the wrap up, the ending part of the teaching, but it also involves learners reflecting on what they've learned in some way, as well as looking forward to the future, like an action step or an action plan about how they're going to apply the learning in the future in their lives. So those are the 4 steps I use to plan any learning event to teach any topic to adult learners. I'm Kelly Pfeiffer with Go Interactive Training. If you'd like to learn more about the 4 C's or find out how you can attend free workshops and paid workshops, you can click the links below. Bye.